Today we are going to Hoover Dam. It is about a 1 hour drive here from Las Vegas Strip. And I've heard the view there is beautiful. It was built during the Great Depression, 1930s. Once it was built, it was the world's tallest dam in the entire world. So let's go take a look. The trip was between the two California lockdowns. During the trip, we have been trying our best to keep the social distance and wearing masks the entire time, except of course when taking selfies. In this video, I will give you the idea of what it's like to tour around the Hoover Dam, including how much time it will take, how much cost, and where to eat. I will also show you the majestic drive when entering the Hoover Dam in a little bit. Make sure to watch till the end. You certainly don't want to miss a dam burger from the Dam Cafe. If you like my video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel at the end. We are arrived at the parking garage. Just now at the traffic stopping point, it was actually a checkpoint. They were asking if we have firearms in our car, which we don't have.
Alright, I'll take the stairs. We'll take the elevator. Here we go.
Following the wheel of time around to the back of the monument, you will locate Vega, which has become the North Star thousands of years into the future.
See?
To honor the accomplishments of the building genius of America. In the same way the pyramids represent
It's a beautiful view here. Amazing. Hoover Dam is a concrete arch gravity dam in the Black Canyon of the Colorado River, on the border between Nevada and Arizona. It was dedicated by President Roosevelt, and the original name was called Boulder Dam from 1933. It was officially renamed Hoover Dam for President Hoover in 1947. It's really beautiful here. Look at the water. It's green and deep and calm. Look here, it's a danger keep off the world. Its construction was a result of a massive effort involving thousands of workers and cost over 100 lives. And in fact, there is a nearby town called Boulder City was originally built for workers on the construction project. When Hoover Dam was finished, it was the largest and tallest hydroelectric plant in the whole world. Since then, larger facilities have been built. People often ask, what is the biggest dam in the world today? Well, it depends on what you mean by the largest. Largest by volume, or tallest, or largest by the hydroelectric plants. I will put the answers on the screen just in case you're interested.
Picture like this, okay?
Wow, I don't see water.
You don't. Go in here.
No water.
It's all the way down there.
Wait till there's no one around.
All the way down. Ooh. The other side. All the way up. It's pretty amazing. Unfortunately, due to the COVID-19, the elevator has stopped. Otherwise, if you take a tour, this elevator will take you all the way down. Hoover Dam creates America's largest reservoir, Lake Mead. The reservoir supplies water to farms, business, and millions of people in Nevada, Arizona, California, and Mexico. You see that line? That's different color. And underneath is kind of white, and on the top is brown. I think that's the water line is sometimes. There's a partition line. Right there. I wonder if people ever swim there. Can they swim from one side to the other side? Yeah, look. There's a state line here. This side is Nevada and this side is Arizona. Right in the middle. So right now I'm standing in between Nevada and Arizona. Okay, how much time it will take if you are planning to visit Hoover Dam? It takes 45 minutes to drive from Las Vegas Strip to the dam, and then it took us 1.5 hours to walk the whole bridge, poses and took pictures. We didn't participate in any of the tour group since all of the tour has been cancelled. So if you're coming in a non-COVID time and planning to join the groups, please add time accordingly. Eat at the Dam Cafe will add another 30 minutes to 1 hour, so together it's about 4 or 5 hours if you are departing from Las Vegas. Let's check out the Hugo Den Cafe. I remember on the review people say they have the dam fries and the dam burger. Let's just go to take a look at their menu. Here's the menu. The first one is the dam burger, $12. I think that's what they're famous for. So we ordered a dam burger and chicken salad. Let's try it. Your iPad, you just found your new iPad. Okay. Look at what we have. The chicken salad look pretty good, delicious. This is my order, the dam burger. Let's try it. Very good. So good. We finished them all. Now it's at the end of the video. As we promised, how much does it cost to visit Hoover Dam? They charged us $10 at the parking structure. Those very cool tours would cost between $10 to $30 per person before the COVID. During the lunch, we ordered a salad and a burger, including tips was $30. So that being said, if you are only walking the bridge, you can do it as low as $10.